quick click.
Click, click, click. Hey, you gotta clean the fuel.
One world, one ride.
Good morning guys, this is Debashish and today this will be the last day of this continent and then I've head to Thailand, DJ goes back to India. So yeah, last day of the ride and we're gonna go to customs directly to get our car stamped out. Lovely room this was. Yeah, let's see. No, everything is taken. Got to check, you know, सब कुछ लिया कि नहीं लिया. And here we start. Oh man, chadna is a fucking pain. So Jai Shri Ram. So we did 2,000 kilometers in this. We did 2,000 kilometers in this country so far. Another 327 to go to customs. Gonna take the M1. Nice hotel, Crescent Motel. Nice place. So I had a flat again because my tires are pretty weak and boy, oh come on, Acha. Oh boy, I hope it doesn't give way. ये
वो
क्या
खड़ा ब्रायन, वो खड़ा ब्रायन।
कैसा
उधर देखो,
घुमा के लाना पड़ता रे।
नहीं नहीं, उसने बताया ना।
आने को बोला
ऐसे मारे।
समझाने भी जगह नहीं। ये भी क्या ईमानदारी का लॉलीपॉप लेते रहता। ब्रायन मेरे को क्यों फोन कर रहा है? Good, let me park. Why are you calling me up?
Hey?
You're calling me up.
Yeah, I was trying to ring you just because it looked like you'd stopped. It said 2 minutes away and it seemed to have stopped.
Beautiful place. And it was good to see Brian. Brian is the guy who's arranging everything for me. Really, really nice. Man. I know him from our Singapore ride. ये डीजे
हेलो। हाँ
हाँ ये अपना सामान इसके गाड़ी में नहीं आएगा भाई। पूछो क्यों?
का सामान रखा हुआ ऑलरेडी।
अरे बहुत सारा सामान है इसके पास तो।
टैक्सी करेंगे, देखते हैं।
नहीं टैक्सी करने का जरूरत नहीं है ना, क्योंकि यूं भी अपने को इधर आने का ही है। अपन गाड़ी छोड़ देते हैं तेरा वो प्रॉब्लम दिखाने के लिए।
हाँ मैं तो गाड़ी ऐसा छोड़ देने वाला हूँ, मतलब
हाँ।
कुछ भी नहीं निकालूंगा।
हाँ कुछ निकालने आके अपन निकालेंगे।
आके देखेंगे जो भी होगा।
हाँ
ये प्रो साइकिल लेफ्ट में तो आगे निकल गया देखो।
हैं? ये क्या इधर लिखा है ना प्रो साइकिल?
हाँ वो
चल रुक। अरे माँ क्या ये क्या इधर लगा दूं? You gotta give the bikes here.
So what do people call you? Deb? Debu?
DJ.
DJ? DJ?
DJ.
Let's
You move everything, right?
Quick click.
Click. Hey, you gotta clean the fuel.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are giving our motorcycles and emptying the fuel, our fuel tank, and we give it to him. Yeah, wait, hold on.
Then I saw the Balina motorcycle.
Yeah. Okay, so we have given the motorcycle to the dealer and we are on our way to customs. Get our carnet stamped out, and again we're gonna come back here because we got to take out the luggage from our motorcycles. The whole new set of packing for Airways and the whole new set of packing for the motorcycles. And thanks to Brian is driving us around. हमारा टैक्सी का पैसा बच गया क्या डीजे? हाँ भाई. And DJ will be flying to India and I'll be flying to Thailand. It's quite simple. All you have to do is take that form, your airline bill and carnet copy and your passport, they're gonna stamp you out and that's it. Now rest, the agency is gonna take care. And you got to do it at the same place where you stamped your car in. And then the motorcycles. Okay, everything is in order. Ek minute rukna. Lights are okay. Both the lights are okay. Stickers are alright. Alright. Nothing so far. Good.
Oh yeah, thanks for that.
Yeah. This is it. Yeah. This is very mature. Fantastic. So my bike will go to Thailand, and from there I'm gonna ride back home. Till then, I'm gonna vlog directly while going to Vietnam. Bye-bye. So today I'm gonna go to Vietnam, and thank you very much, bhai, hamara pandit ji.
Guri, Vashisht.
And this is Kulji's brother, and I will be missing you guys. Thank you.
You're gonna miss as well, man.
So much.
And have a safe ride and flight.
And
And enjoy the rest of the ride, yeah?
And keep in touch.
Definitely don't keep missing us, yeah?
Yeah, of course I'm going to. Now that you've given me this, he's given me this nice from Vrindavan, he's got it. So, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot for your precious time, man.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm leaving Brian again. Brian, thank you very much.
Thank
for
you.
everything and for the arranging me my way back home.
No problem.
It was a chaotic situation and you helped
It's
me.
a pleasure.
Well, Kwan for everything,
I will.
and she arranged
Hello, Kwan.
and she arranged the Myanmar and Thailand. Thank you very much.
It's been a
Without you,
pleasure.
nothing would have-
Want to see you again.
Yeah. Vijay bhai. Thank you, bhai. Thank you very much for everything.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure riding with you, sir.
Thank you, me too. I learned a lot with you.
And I have learned a lot of with you.
Not riding, other.
DJ, thank you very, very much for everything, brother. And it was lovely.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, with me is Maria. She was there with us during our Singapore ride, and yeah, and she's invited me to in Vietnam. My bike is in Thailand, but then she's gonna take me around in Vietnam. So right now we're gonna go and check into the hotel, and that's it. Thank you, Maria. She's very busy right now.
One world, one ride.
So we are at a local restaurant. This is Tiger Beer. and we are
Maria
ordering
is drinking beer.
and we are having authentic Vietnamese food, right?
Yeah.